area command and sister security agencies such as Nigerian Army, Nigeria Air Force, Nigeria Police Force, the Department of State Services, NDLA.
See why I dey always talk. See, anything wey you know say you dey do for this life, especially in this Nigeria, anything wey you know say you dey bring in this Nigeria, you no need to go and spend your money at the end. You understand? If they can't catch you, that money wey you don spend go just go like that. Okay, look at these goods now. You understand? These people wey dey bring all these antibiotics, now custom can't catch these people now. At the end now, see how they just scatter. Well, I don't want to talk too much. Man, not just they speak this my English. You understand? Bring down the video. Just listen to this custom man. Listen very carefully. Don't forget to drop a big comment. All right? Okay. I beg my people, make we dey careful with some certain things wey we dey do. Anything wey we dey produce in this country.